I'm looking at Biblewheel.com /gr underscore database.php BNUM equals 6 and or ampersand CNUM equals 4 ampersand VNUM equals 19. In other words, book number equals 6, chapter number equals 4, verse number equals 19, which is Joshua 4:19. I'm looking at Joshua 4:19, which you'll find in the King James, which says, "And the people came up out of Jordan on the 10th day of the first month, and encamped in Gilgal in the east border of Jericho." And you find the Hebrew original words. They're Strong's numbers, Strong's concordance, and their gematria value, numerical value. And the reason I want to show you this is that the word Gilgal, which means wheel, actually adds up to 66. Notice the word is made up of 4 letters, of 2 identical letters each. Gimel, Lamed. 3 plus 30 plus 3 plus 30 equals. Notice Gilgal in the concordance H 1537, the same as 1536. So Gilgal is a wheel, rolling, the first site of an Israel camp west of the Jordan, east of Jericho, where Samuel was judge and Saul was made king, later used for illicit worship. Dwelling place of prophets in northern Israel, about 4 miles from Shiloh and Bethel, a region conquered by Joshua, site on shore. And the gematria or the numerical value is 66. And just as Gilgal has a numerical value of 66, the Protestant canon of the Bible has 66 books. From Genesis to Song of Solomon, it makes 22, according to the 22 letters of the Hebrew alphabet. Then Isaiah to the book of Acts in the New Testament makes a second set or cycle of 22, and then the 22 epistles. Altogether, it's 3 times 22 books, 66 books. And just as the Bible has 66 books, Isaiah has 66 chapters. Isaiah is considered to be a miniature Bible. And scholars have looked into it and realized that just as the Old Testament of the Bible had 39 books, Isaiah has 39 Old Testament or First Testament type of chapters, from Isaiah 1 to 39. And then just as Matthew starts in the 40th book of the Bible, Isaiah 40 starts with a different theme, a different subject, just as it says, the voice of him that crieth in the wilderness, prepare ye the way of the Lord. And that was also mentioned in well, this was in Isaiah 40, verse 3, and it was also mentioned in book 40, chapter 3, which is Matthew chapter 3, referring to John the Baptist. And there are a lot of associations like that, and it's not only the 40th chapter of Isaiah relating to the 40th book. For example, you'll find Isaiah 28 is referring to the 28th book, Hosea, uh, talking about the pride of Ephraim, the crown of Ephraim. Um, I haven't looked at every single chapter yet, but I know one thing actually. Chapter 24 has a lot that relates to the 24th book, Jeremiah, which is there. And